Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's featured product. I think it's really going to reel you in. Today we're talking about the Marshalltown aluminum tie wire reel. This compact reel is portable and designed to hold a roll of tie wire. It's most commonly used when tying rebar. With construction season kicking off, this aluminum tie wire reel is going to be an ironworker's best friend. With loops on the back, this reel can go right onto your belt, making it always within arm's reach, while also allowing your hands to be free to utilize any other tools you may need, like Marshalltown's wire twisters. This tie wire reel is made from lightweight aluminum, making it easy to carry and great for on-the-go tasks. It also doesn't require much setup at all. Step 1. Remove the lid, which is a reverse thread. Step 2. Load your wire. Step 3. Find the end of the wire on the outside of the roll and thread it through the open slot. Step 4. Put the lid back on and you're ready to roll. The aluminum tie wire reel reduces tangling, accommodates all types of tie wire, and gives you consistent and controlled wire dispensing. Now that's what I call efficient. And if you need wire, we carry that too. Try the BTW1 rebar wire. We've got enough stock to last a lifetime. Now happy wire tying out there.